Cut your losses. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase often used in English, cut your losses. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but it's incredibly useful in both business contexts and everyday life. So, let's explore what it means, how you can use it, and some examples to clarify the concept. Cut your losses is an idiom that essentially means to stop an activity or investment to prevent further loss or damage. Imagine you're in a situation where things aren't going as planned, and it's only getting worse. Instead of continuing and possibly facing even more loss, you decide to end your involvement. This decision, although it might involve accepting some loss, is made to avoid further and potentially greater losses. This phrase originally comes from the world of business and finance. It refers to the practice of selling off an asset, like stocks or property, at a loss to prevent further decline in its value. However, its use has broadened over time. Now, cut your losses can apply to various situations, whether it's a bad investment, a project that's not paying off, or even a relationship that's not working out. 1. Business context. After the market downturn, the company decided to cut its losses and sell the underperforming division. 2. Personal life. I realized the repair costs for the old car would only increase, so I decided to cut my losses and sell it as is. 3. Relationships. They were constantly arguing and unhappy, so they decided to cut their losses and go their separate ways. Remember, using this phrase implies a rational decision to prevent further harm, financial or otherwise. Understanding the phrase, cut your losses, is not just about learning new words. It's about grasping a mindset of practical decision-making. It's about knowing when to let go to avoid worse outcomes. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily life and conversations. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to cut your losses if you need to. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.